Welcome back to Savage YEYE.
As you can tell by the title, we are going to be going to a construction house. That's actually where we are right now. And just screwing around. So, yep. So we got into the attic and it was like pretty hard to actually get up. But we'll just show you where we got up from.
Is it still recording?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Gotta get our YEYE fans up now. Oh shoot. Ashley, do you see what I'm doing? Tarzan Josh, man. Gonna take shit on the bandstand. Standing hardcore. Oh no! Oh shoot! Okay. Alright. Boys, this is my house.
Well,
Doing it for the boys.
we got to show you how we got up now. We're just doing this all for the boys and for Savage and for YEYE.
And IBP. Just kidding.
So we got to the place where we got up, and it was actually on the front deck. And like we just brought a pallet over, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, that's how we got up.
Oh shoot, you almost choked.
And I guess this will end the video for now because we'll be coming back tonight. And we'll be coming back tonight right here, and we'll do more Savage things because really we didn't do anything today. We're just being pussy, and yeah. So tonight we'll come back when it's dark and we'll
mess around some more. Like and subscribe, put on post notifications. YEYE!